It's behind me, isn't. Ducati, losing your teeth in 3, 2, 1. Why do these cats and dogs look like they are about to drop the best rap album of 2017 when you can't let the cat out because he might invade Poland? I still haven't figured out why I got out of bed this morning. Adding medieval weapons to dogs playing on the beach needs to become a thing. It's funny how takeout can mean food, dating, and murder. Charging. Fully charged. Where's your stupid little spray bottle now, Karen? What makes you think the kid is mine? There was a spider. How fast was the ostrich running when it hit the tree? Get the treats or I pull the plug. I'm going to be so productive when I get home. The second I get home. Look how instinctively the mother croc carries the baby in its mouth. Nature is beautiful. It's a booby trap. Before and after my dog realizes I'm in the room. 4 a.m. Everyone is asleep. Perfect time to run from one end of the house to the other at full speed as loudly as possible. Doorbell, burglary, masked killer, cheese wrapper.